Here we are again in the basement. This project is something that I've been sitting on for quite a while. These drawers, I trash picked these a while back, and I've been wanting to turn them into storage, extra storage for under the bed, for linens and things like that. We have a very old house, no closet space here, so every little inch of space matters. And what I like to do with old drawers is make them extra storage under the bed. So that's what we're up to today. I have all of these extra pieces that I haven't used for other projects, and that's what I'm going to use to make this work. These are very nice drawer pulls that we had left over. We actually had two left over. They're two different sizes, but I don't really care because one of these will go in my room and one of them will go in my daughter's room, so nobody will ever know that they're different sizes because they'll be in different rooms. But these are actually solid brass. I was going to return these back to, I believe it was Rejuvenation was the store we bought them from when we redid our kitchen. These are the hardwares that we used, and I got too many. I think we switched up an idea and never sent these back. So I'm going to repurpose them with this project as single drawer pulls. So that means I'll be bondoing, filling these holes in and re-drilling holes here. Also, these are quite nasty, but I have a feeling that underneath of all of this nasty paint, there is some sort of inlay. So I'm gonna put the stripper on here, the citrus strip that I love to use, and strip these down just to see what's under there. If there's nothing exciting under there, then I'm going to paint them. I feel like there's some inlay under here, and if there is, I'm gonna try to keep that. So we'll see. After I strip it down, reseal it, drill the holes, well, that might change my idea because I have to find a dark wood filler or something to fill the holes so that we don't see the holes. That might change my whole course of action, but we'll see. Going to use the scrap wood, cut it down into 4 little individual nubs so that I have something to bite into when I go to put I'm not putting rollers on here because we have carpeting down in the one room and hardwood on the other. So I'm just going to use these little feet, these little glides, and I'm gonna attach them right to there. I think that'll work great. So that's the plan. First things first, I'm really curious as to what's under here, so I'm gonna get to stripping that. guys, thanks for hanging in there with me. We're almost done this project, just the hardware has to go on. I apologize I didn't show you the whole Bondo process of Bondoing the previous drilled holes for the hardware and then re-drilling these holes. There's so many videos out there. It's really an easy process. So check out some of the other videos. I think I might even have a video, Bondo to the Rescue, talks about Bondo. But here the hardware is on and we are ready to go to put it under the bed for extra storage. Oh, I lied. One last thing to do is to put the feet on. Now these feet are just glides. I would have done it differently. I would have put glides that had felt on. Here they are just hard plastic. And then you can see my daughter doing the metal one. We didn't have any felt ones. I just used what we had, but I would go back and maybe put some felt on the bottom so that it doesn't drag against the floor, the hardwood floor. But you can see it fits right under the bed, adds extra storage for blankets, for extra sheets for the bed, anything really. Excuse the the teenage unmade bed. And then this is my room. You can see I have my extra blankets and my extra sheets. Right under the bed it will go. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you find something to do with an old drawer like this. Instead of throwing it in the trash, you can use it for something resourceful. And as always, if you like the videos that I do, then please subscribe and come back and visit me and ask me questions, leave me comments. I love to read them. I will answer you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.